Hey guys, you are welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be cooking the almighty Nigeria jollof rice. I already have a video on how to cook Nigeria jollof rice with veggies, and this is a new recipe, the easiest recipe. So here is my rice and my meat. So I already sliced and washed my meat and my rice. I'm using basmati rice. I'm cooking 2.5 cup of rice, and my tomatoes blended with tatashe and onions. Yeah, and my onions, my granite oil, my salt and seasoning cubes. And here is my curry and thyme, very important. And here I have my sliced fresh tomatoes and the fresh pepper, the hot fresh pepper. So guys, we are just going to dive into this video. Let's cook this food together. Here's my meat. I already set it on fire. I'm going to be adding my salt and the seasoning cube, as you can see. And as you can see, I didn't add water to my meat. I don't steam my meat with water. Yeah, so I'm adding my thyme and then curry. This food is going to be delicious. So guys, I'm just going to stir it together a bit, and before I'll cover the pot and allow my meat to boil. So guys, hope we are not forgetting anything. Yeah, onions. So we add our onions, and yeah, I can see this food is going to be oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Sorry, don't laugh at my voice. So guys, I'm going to be soaking my rice with hot water, as in very hot, and I'll cover it for a few minutes before washing it to be cooked. So let me go to the meat department. Yeah, so right here I'm getting ready to fry my meat. So guys, sorry I didn't show you guys the frying part of this meat, but bear with me. I didn't want this video to be like too long, so I just removed some parts that are not necessary since it's frying of meat. So it's time to wash my rice. I kept it here for like 3 minutes before washing it now. So we just go through the process of washing it. You can see how I'm washing it. Everybody knows how to wash rice, but I just say, okay, let me just video the part. Let me not cut this part away. So time to put my rice in the pot, and then we add our meat stock. Yeah, and after which I'm going to be adding my tin tomatoes. Yeah, and the other things, the other ingredients like granite oil. Yeah, as you can see, I'm adding my granite oil and other ingredients. But guys, there is something I want to say here. Yeah, there is this little secret of how I boil my fresh tomatoes. that you don't have to take the whole day or how many hours to boil your tomatoes to get dry. So if you want to see this video on how to go through the process of this, my little secret, please drop your comment below, and I'm going to shoot the video for you guys. So I'm adding my curry. As you already know, I added my thyme, my tin tomatoes, my meat stock, and then I'm going to add I added my groundnut oil. And the next thing I'm going to add my fresh tomatoes, my onions, and before then I'm just going to cover it and allow it to be for some seconds. Now it's time to add my onions and my fresh tomatoes. So you can see what I was saying. Are you seeing the way my fresh tomatoes look? It's as if it is thin tomatoes. So beautiful. So guys, I will tell you the truth, this is the most easiest way of cooking Nigeria jollof rice. You don't need too much stress to get this lovely, delicious jollof rice that I'm cooking right now with you guys. Okay guys, oh, look at the face of this jollof rice. So time to add my prawns, and I'm going to leave it for some while for it to dry, for the rice to cook, before adding my fresh tomatoes, my fresh sliced tomatoes and onions. So as you can see, I have them prepared, ready to enter this pot. But for now, you can see the rice still has a lot of water. We don't add it now until the rice is dried a little bit, then you add it to the rice. So let's cover and wait. Let's open. Ooh, look at the face of the rice. Yes, yeah, it's time to add our fresh pepper and fresh tomatoes and onions, the sliced ones. So we are going to stir together, like we are going to make sure this fresh things goes down to the pot, or the fresh things goes down to the bottom of the rice, after which we cover it to cook for 5 minutes before we so I'm just going to keep stirring for these things to really go down the way I want. Yeah, there is shake in this pot. Yeah, just open your eyes very well, you'll see the shake, but right now I'm not turning it. What you are seeing now is the things on top. So guys, let's check our rice. Oh, see the face of the rice, man. Okay guys, my food is ready. This time around is my food, not our food. So guys, if you are watching me for the first time, thank you very much. I really appreciate. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please try and subscribe. Subscribe to this woman that is talking to you now. Subscribe now. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and stay tuned for my next video. See the face of the shake, it resembles my face. Oh my god, the shake too fine. I'm loving it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you in my next video.